Welcome to the Calm Lab, a peaceful space for your skin, your soul, and your stillness. Today, we begin with 5 calm Ayurvedic rituals to soothe your anxiety and awaken your natural glow. Ritual 1: Tulsi and Rose Tea. In a quiet moment, steep tulsi leaves and rose petals. Let this softness remind you don't need to rush. Sip slowly and let the warmth fill your chest. This tea balances Vata and Pitta, the doshas linked to anxiety and inflammation. Ritual 2: Abhyanga, self-oil massage. Warm a little sesame or coconut oil. Gently massage your arms, your legs, and your feet. Let your hands become your medicine. Abhyanga calms your nervous system and nourishes your skin deeply. Ritual 3: Salt foot soak. Fill a bowl of warm water, add a spoon of Himalayan salt, and soak your feet under candlelight. This ritual pulls heaviness from your mind and helps you sleep like a child in peace. Ritual 4: Aloe vera and turmeric glow mask. Mix fresh aloe vera gel with a tiny pinch of turmeric. Apply gently to your face, and as it sits, just breathe. This mask soothes heat and brings a soft, steady glow to your skin. Ritual 5: Heart touch affirmation. Before bed, place your hand over your heart. Close your eyes and whisper softly, I'm safe, I'm soft, I'm glowing. Your glow begins inside. These are your rituals, your return to calm. Subscribe to the Calm Lab for more soulful self-care and weekly moments of peace. You are your own remedy.